How to add Gmail in Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook and make sure you are logged in with your account where you want to add email. So logging in, you'll be able to see this interface. So in the right upper corner, you can see the three dotted horizontal line. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the gear or setting option in the right upper corner, which is beside the settings bar. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the list of settings. Among them, you have to go for personal and account information. After that, you can see the name, your contact info, identity confirmation, in account ownership and control option. So you have to simply go for contact info, which is in the second row. And after that, you can see the add phone number and add email address option in the last two rows. So from here, you can simply tap on that and you can add email address. If you want to add your phone number, then similarly you can tap on add phone number option and you can add phone number to your Facebook. And by following this simple step, you can add a Gmail in Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.